Yeah, children. So I'll just continue with my question paper pattern. Now, here earlier what we used to give you, complete the poem, isn't it? And you used to write. Now here I will write the sentences from the poem and you have to just answer the questions. Now here question number 4. Question number 4. It is again same. You know this same. Same. I'm just writing here. Same as question 2 and question 3. See here children, same. The question is same, nothing difference. See, read the extract. Same I'll write here. Question 4, read the extract and answer the question that follow. Under this, when I am writing this, same as question 2 and 3, okay, then I will write some sentences from the poem. Like suppose I am writing the waves beside, okay. If I am writing the waves beside, so I'll write the whole poem, 4 sentences from that. Any 4 sentences? Huh? I may end it here. Maybe I'll write till Jokard Company. So I'll write till here. I'll copy. I will write 4 sentences. Jokard Company. I will write this for you. I will write questions on this. Based on the whole poem, I will give you questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any. Maybe first question is 2 marks. Then again 1 mark. Again 2 marks. So this is our question set number 4. Here. Now question set number 5. This is question set children. This full is question set. Now question set number 5. See, read the extract and answer the following questions. Again I will give you one passage. One passage I will write. I will take 4 lines from here and I will give you questions. Understood? Okay. Now, see my full question paper has only questions 5. Question number 1. This way. I am going to write exactly full verse, this question 5. Then question 1, do as directed grammar, section 1. Under that A, B, C, D, I have given you 2 practice till G. From that I will give any D, any I will choose and you have to study all. Then question 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 4 question sets. From this question sets you have to write only 3. How many you will write? 3. Set. One full set you will write. Now, I'll tell you what to do further. Now see, I have given you, write any 3 sets. Now suppose you are choosing question set number 3. Under that if I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, you have to write full set. You have to write this full, I have to answer all. Only then you will get full 5 marks. Question 2, you don't want to write. Over. Don't write full set, you don't write. Full set. You are not confident of that your answers will be correct, or maybe you are not very sure of the answer. Leave the full set. Go to set number 3. Question number 3 set full baribeku. Adu enu option illa ille. Question 2 bittidantana. Question 3 compulsory baribeku. Question 4 compulsory baribeku. You have to write question 4 api. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿನಿ, 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಎನಿ 3 ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2 ನೀ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 3 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ 4 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸೆಟ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಅದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ 2 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ 3 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ 4 ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅದ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಒಟ್ಟು 3 ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ 1 ಸೆಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಅದು 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀದೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 15 ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, 4 ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಬರೀ 3 ಸೆಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು, ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ 1 2 3 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇ. ನೋಡು 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂತನ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇದು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆತಲ್ವ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪಿ? ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರ್ದಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ICSE ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I have told you the question paper pattern, children. Question paper pattern is over. I hope you have understood it very well. Now I will give you revision. We will start with revision. Serious children, now I am giving you revision for grammar. How the sentences will come in exam. Now, if you go see my question paper pattern in grammar, I told you to write in homework book. So you please copy down on the last page of your homework book the question paper pattern for grammar. Grammar and literature both you copy. I have already told you can pause the video and copy it down. Now see here, I had written first A, no? First main A. Rewrite the sentences using personal pronouns in place of the words in color. Okay. Here instead of color I may underline it, or okay, I will write it in bold letters also. Depends. It's very easy to understand. Now in this exercise, no, in your homework book, you have to do in your homework book. Do it in homework book. Don't write anything in grammar classwork book. In that we will only do exercise from our test book. Revision, if you want, you can take long sheet. If you don't want your grammar book or homework book, take long sheet paper. In that you can do a revision for unit test 1. Now in this, see, this is just practice, children. Okay, in this A, no, page number, I'll write A exercise. Don't want page number. You do first, you write first one you write, fourth, sixth and eighth. This is from after the lesson. Okay, this is from page number 6. Okay, and this is next. Go to continue next. This is 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 you do from worksheet. Worksheet, no, page number I'll tell you. Okay, there it's not there. So you can do this. One more you can do. That is one more you do. Fourth no, third one you do. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 sentences you do. Next in B, what is a B question? Complete the sentences with correct pronouns. In that you do this without looking, you do. Okay children, don't copy the answers. Tell your mommy to prepare a question paper for you and you just fill up. Sit there for half an hour is enough, more than enough, if you know all the answers. So here you will do 1 2 4 6 from page 6 and then continue. Next you will do from worksheet. Worksheet also you write. Worksheet 2, 5, 7, 8. This is page 137. So this you have to do in your homework book or a long sheet. You can do in long sheet also. This is just practice. I am taking grammar practice, okay? Grammar revision I am doing practice. Now see, write the binomial expressions that you do this. One, 3, 5. This you do again. Page 137. Continue. Continue you can do from our test book. Write this all. Okay. 1, 'So, see, you will do all this in your long sheet or homework book. Okay, you can learn these spellings also. Complete the words with spellings. Now next, we will go to D. This is C. D, this all you has to go in a long sheet or a homework book. I am repeating again and again. Now C is choose the correct words. No, if C in a question paper pattern, from there you will write 1, 6, page 17, and then from worksheet you do again 1, 4, 6, 5. This is for D. Now E, question paper pattern, go to E. E is, yes, complete the sentences with reflexive pronouns. Again, go to B exercise now. From there, you do again 1, 4, 5 and 6. This is again page number 17. And from worksheet, this complete the sentences with reflexive pronouns. Again that you copy. Okay, this is exercise A. So here you will do 3, 7, 8. (140) exercise A. This is also exercise A only. Done. Now next one is this F. Complete the sentences with phrasal verbs. No, phrasal verbs that you will do. All you do. You write all 1 to 6. Okay. Phrasal verbs. I'll write phrasal verbs. You write all 1 to 6 from page 17 and 18. Hmm? Then worksheet. Again we'll go to worksheet. Worksheet also same 1 to 6. Yes. 1 to 6, page 140. This all you will do. One more, G, punctuations. Now we have punctuations again, G. You have to study all these children. Here we have punctuations here. That is G. That also you write full. This is full exercise 1 to 6. Page 19. So this will go on long sheet or homework book. If you don't have long sheet at home, you write it in your homework book. Otherwise, it will come in one sheet. Everything will come in double sheet. 2 sheets if you take, it will always, it will come, everything will come in this. This is just practice. You have to study all. Again, I am telling you, you have to study all. This is just practice. And I had given you practice also. From there also read the sentences and come when you are coming for exam, or we are giving you some online exam. Depends, we'll see how it is going to happen. Okay, it is maybe it is in the second week of October. Okay, so you have lots of time to study. Don't worry. You do this exercise and let's see what has to be done. So children, I think you have understood the grammar part very well. I have explained you in detail. Now we'll go for the literature part. Literature, remember I told you that there will be question paper pattern. If you see, this is question. Question 2. Read the extract and answer the following questions. Right? Under that I told you, I will give you 4 questions. Correct? Now see, in that question, suppose I am giving you one some 4 lines, okay? So now here there are 6 questions, right? Here there are 6 questions, and then you have reference to context also, right? So if I am choosing one particular passage, I will ask you a question. First question may be, this is a sample. First question may be, who said this? To whom? Okay, this may be the question. And I will write here 2 marks. So if there is 2 marks, you know you have to write 2 sentences. Correct? For 1 mark, 1 sentence. For 2 marks, at least minimum 2 sentences you have to write. This sentence, now who said this to whom? How we have to write? This sentence was said by so and so. When to whom? To whom it was said? It was said to that particular person. Now next question. I may ask you this second. How did the young girl learn to play music? Question, this is also for 2 marks. So this question is there in comprehension part. Answer the following questions and you have to write it for 2 marks. 2 marks means it has to be minimum 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, don't write 1 sentence. If you write 1 sentence, you'll get only 1 mark. Okay children, you know me very well. You have to study thoroughly. Portion is very less. 1 lesson, 1 poem. Okay. Then, now I will give you one more question. 3. 3 question I will ask you. I will ask you this question. How can music fill the heart with wonder? See, this is for 1 mark. Okay, question may not be the same. It will be different. Here I will give you some 4 lines. Okay. These questions are based on the full chapter. Not only the extract I have given you. The extract is for your reference to know that this passage is come from this lesson. Understood? So now this is one set. If you are choosing question number 2, you have to write full set. Now this is for prose section. Prose means lessons. Prose means lessons or the chapters. Now this is 5 marks. No, you have to write full 5 marks. Now next I will tell you poem. I will write all this. Whatever I am telling you, no, I am going to write all so that it becomes easy for you. It's very easy. Now this, no, question 2 is over. Question number 2 and 3 is prose. Or maybe it is poem. It depends. If I am giving first poem, then I will write question 2, question 3 is poem. Then question 4, question 5 will be prose. Don't worry. Some changes here and there. Same it is, paper won't change. Now suppose question 4 is from the poem Daffodils. I will write that also. Now here question number 4, here what will come? Read the extract and answer the following questions. I will write 4 lines from the question, from the poem. This I will write and give you. In that I will give you suppose one question. Now see, in this you have to learn full. Here the questions, this is from who said this to whom, this is from reference to context. This question is from comprehension part. This question is again from reference to context. So you should know which question, what answer you have to write. Now next one. So revision, no? You have to study all, children. For prose section, learn. Write one time in your book. Okay, I will give you homework in the end. I will give you homework in the end. Now for the poem. Poem also I told you, I'll take any 4 sentences from the poem anywhere. Now my question, how it will be? First question I may ask, how does the inward eye see them? First question, how does the inward eye see them? Now this question is again in reference to context, right? So yeah, okay. If there are 2 or more sentences, I'll give 2 marks. Again here, I'll take any question. Where did the speaker see the daffodils? Maybe for 1 mark. Then one more third question. From anywhere. Maybe comprehension or reference to context. From anywhere I'll take 1 question and then that may be for 2 marks and you have to write the full set. So see, 2 marks plus 2 marks plus 1 marks, 5 marks. Isn't it? Same question 5. Question 5 for poem, it will come from poem only. So I am giving you choice. You write 2 prose, 1 poem, okay. 2 questions from prose, question sets from prose, 1 poem, 1 lesson, okay. Which you are confident, which you know you will go score full marks, you write the full answers. Now see, this is revision part, it's over. I've told you how the questions will be given to you. Okay, now I explained you how it will be. So now you take a long sheet or in your homework book, again that is a choice. Okay, don't force your parents to buy long sheets if they are not willing. If you have a homework book, you can write in that only. It becomes easy for you to study. Now first, my revision for literature is, first you will read the lesson. Read the lesson, chapter number 1. The Moonlight Sonata. You will first read the chapter Moonlight Sonata, look at the meanings, then write question and answers, reference to contest on a long sheet. How many times you'll write? 1 time. Learn and write. This also you will learn and write. Learn and write question and answers, reference to context 1 time. Okay. Now go through the poem or recite the poem. This is first. This is second. Recite the poem. Poem is also one only, no? Daffodils. Daffodils. Then learn and write question and answers, reference to contest 1 time. Okay, you can write 1 time question or 2 times for better practice. If you want to practice really thoroughly, you can write 2 times also. Answers, only answers you write 2 times, right? 1 time question, right? 2 times answer. Same we can go with this. Okay, you write question 1 time, write answer 2 times. You have lot of time. We have 15 days to study this. 15 days now. Today is okay. If it is coming early, maybe in a day or 2, you have lots of time, children, to study. So you just copy down this. Grammar only 1 time you do. This literature, you question and answers only 6 are there and 3 reference to context. Answers are very short. So you can do it 2 times, learn and write 2 times, you will become perfect. Poem also, no, I told you poem, same, again 6 questions are there and 2 reference to context, only 2. So you have to do this. This is one, read the chapter, the Moonlight Sonata, learn and write questions and answers, question 1 time, answer 2 times, okay, 2 times. And then recite the poem, means no need to learn, you can read the poem, read or recite whatever. The poem Daffodils, learn and write question and answers, reference to context 2 times. Okay, it is not more. If you sit, one day you sit for grammar, you can do full grammar exercise, that also I have not given you more. In practice I had given you, which you have written in homework book. If you have got that video, you can practice that also. Okay children, so I hope there is no difficulty in understanding. It's very easy to write this paper. If there are any queries or if your parents want to contact me, we have also shared our contact number. Give me a call between 5 to 7 evening. On weekdays, I will get back to you. Okay children, then see you all the best.